G'day, welcome to Free Social Rock Climbing. My name's Adam. Today I'm going to test a few of these titanium rings. These are rapel rings. There's a belay device, 16mm hole for 8mm rope, designed to be rethreaded. I'm just going to weigh the setup here. So normally you'd have two steel carabiners with opposing gates at the top of the top rope for top rope climbing. But the reason you have to oppose the gates is because there are gates. So the way I think about it, if you have a titanium ring, there's no gates and you can't gate load a circle. And I have the ability to make a much larger bend radius for the rope and make a bit of an I-beam cross section with this face groove here. As you can see, these titanium rings are a lot lighter than just one steel carabiner, let alone two. So I'll just finish weighing everything here. But before we get to testing, we have to calibrate our test rig. So you see here there's a steel cylinder, and in the next frame I'll get some measurements of that steel cylinder so you can check my calibration weight. Okay, so we've got a magnetic stop here that'll sit on the tangent. And we are at 225mm across, and here we are at 350mm high. Now I'll throw the calculations up in the next frame, and then we'll get to pull testing. So here we have our test weight suspended, and with 3 springs in play at that deformation per inch, we are sitting on just over 36 divisions. I will wind it down . So we're slack there, and we're sitting on 0 plus chain wobble, minus chain wobble. So here we have our first victim. She's measuring 16mm, a bit over on the inside, by just under 17 thick, and just under 32 outside. I've got 2 6mm soft shackles. So that is 6, let's do up to 7. Just to pull pull with both hands here and film. Okay, so there's just over 2.1 tonne. Two-handed pull. Is spot on 2.4 tonne. Okay, we'll just relax it. I'm calling that circular. So next up, we've got our second victim. .5, also known as 2.5 inch. Yeah, let's call that in safe. Scratch that. 29mm. $15mm. So I'll have to have two hands to set this up. Okay, so we have our 63.5 ring in there between two soft shackles again. Tonne. Okay, in safe excess of 2.4 tonne. Our springs are definitely compressed. Same deal here, we'll measure for permanent deformation. This is raw stock on the outside, so there may be a tiny bit of variation, but it's pretty good. I'm going to call that circular. So now we'll set up for our next victim, which is $32.5.6 the inside. Let's go for outside next. It is 63.7. No, let's make that. Oversized ground material, fancy that. And 15, slightly shy of 15 as I recall. Yes. Okay. It'll take 2 hands to set up this one again, so I'll see you in the next frame. Same deal. Okay, safe excess of 2.4 tonne. I think we'll call that 5.5. Slightly over, it might be sitting off kilter on the vernier jaws. I think we'll call that still circular. Now, unfortunately with this one from Titan Climbing, the bend radius there is going to really mess with the jacket on this Dyneema soft shackle, so I don't really want to ruin yet another one. But this is 50 kN, and for what they are, they're quite good. They're certified, mine aren't, but you've just seen the test, so I guess you can stick your certificate somewhere where the sun don't shine.